Hey everyone, today I am going to teach you how to create the faux linen look. So what we're going to do is start off with any base color. Today I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum Linen White, but it can be done in any color just as long as it's on the lighter end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and paint my primed board. Okay, so now since this is done and it's all been painted, you want to make sure that this layer is fully dry before you continue to the next step. Now since the paint is dry, we're going to move on to the next step. And for this demonstration, I am going to use the Fusion Cathedral Taupe. You can use any color again for this next step. And what you want to do is mix probably about a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 ratio of your paint and your glaze. And I'm using the Valspar glaze. And so I've already pre-mixed it. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna paint it on. And then you're gonna take any of these types of brushes. I particularly like this one. It's like a stiff kind of plastic bristle brush that you can get on Amazon. You can use one of these that you stick into your drill that cleans things. That works good. You can also use one of these. It's like a little brush. You can also get this on Amazon. Barbecue cleaner, the stiff bristle brush. You can use that and get this on Amazon as well. So I am going to paint this on. And because it's got glaze in it, it doesn't dry for a while, so you have time to work with it. And you just want to put a good coat on there. And you're covering up your bottom base color. Okay, so now since this board is completely painted, see, we are gonna take one of the fancy brushes. I like this one. So I'm gonna start from the top and move all the way down the bottom, dragging in one fluid stroke. And then just make sure you get all of that from top to bottom. See how you can see all those drag marks and it pulls away so that you can see the bottom base coat color. Now there's two ways of doing this. You can let your first layer dry completely and go back over it again once it's dry and go the opposite direction. But for this video, I'm gonna show you because it doesn't really matter. You can still achieve the same look if it's wet or dry. So I'm gonna pull it in the next direction. Now I have a crosshatch look. You see how you can kind of see that? And because the glaze is still wet, say if you don't like it, you can just go back over it and pull it some more to achieve that look of faux linen. See? Not bad. And once you're done and you like the way it looks, you're gonna let it dry completely and then you're gonna seal your project.